Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you can sign into Google Calendar and that the calendar you want is visible. Next, choose a browser with extensions. Chrome or Edge work best because of extension and app support. Once done, decide whether to use a live wallpaper tool that accepts web URLs or to run the calendar in a borderless browser window that sits behind icons. This step saves time later. Make the choice now so the following steps match your selected method. Now configure Google Calendar itself so it looks great as a background. Switch to the exact view you want, week, day, or agenda, and hide side panels, reminders, and the mini calendar to reduce clutter. Adjust calendar colors and density to improve contrast against desktop icons, and turn off notifications while testing so pop-ups don't interrupt. Once your calendar visually fits, copy the calendar's URL or note the account. Make sure the layout remains stable when you resize the browser or tool window. To finish, open the calendar URL in the chosen method, a borderless browser window, an app like Wallpaper Engine, or a web-to-wallpaper utility. Resize the window to your screen and place it behind icons. If using an app, paste the URL and enable set as wallpaper or equivalent. Make sure the window is persistent after reboot by adding it to startup. If things go wrong, check permissions, enable hardware acceleration in your browser, and clear cache. These fixes resolve most rendering or loading failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.